In this video, I will show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher. Open Epic Games Launcher, find Rocket League in your library. Here I'm using Among Us as an example. Click the three dots next to it and select Manage. Click Verify to scan and fix any corrupted game files. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game. If it doesn't help, right click the Rocket League shortcut or exe file. Here I am using Among Us as an example. Select Properties and go to Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. If it also doesn't help, then go to search bar and search for updates on your PC. Click Check for updates. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your PC and try launching Rocket League again. If it also doesn't help, I will highly recommend you to update your GPU driver. Depending on your GPU, follow these steps. For NVIDIA users, visit NVIDIA's official website, enter your GPU model and download the latest driver. Install the update and restart your PC. For AMD users, visit AMD's official website, search for your graphics card model and download the latest driver, install the update and restart your PC. That's it. Follow these steps to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.